In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename tabs on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give each sheet in your spreadsheet a clear, descriptive name so your file stays organized and easy to navigate. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. From the Google homepage, look to the top right and click the grid icon. This is the Google Apps button, and it opens a panel with all your Google tools. From that menu, choose Sheets. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll within the panel or click to expand more apps. Once Google Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work on. You can pick a recent file from the home screen or search for it by name. When your document opens, look along the bottom of the window. You'll see tabs for each sheet inside your spreadsheet. These are often named something like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. Renaming them helps you label your data clearly, such as Budget, Q1 Sales, or Raw Data, which makes collaboration and navigation much easier. To rename a tab, move your cursor to the tab you want to change and right-click on it. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works as a right-click. A small menu will appear with several options related to that sheet. Choose Rename from the menu. This will highlight the current tab name and let you edit it directly. Now type the title you want for this tab. Keep it concise but specific so it's easy to understand at a glance. For example, instead of something generic like Data, try July Inventory or Client Leads 2026. Clear names can save you time later, especially if your file grows to include many tabs. Avoid overly long names that might get truncated. A few words usually do the trick. When you're done typing, press Enter to save the new name. You'll see the tab update immediately, and the change is saved automatically to your spreadsheet. If you have more tabs to rename, repeat the same process. Right-click the tab, choose Rename, type the new title, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. Renaming tabs in Google Sheets is a quick way to bring order to your work, make your spreadsheets more readable, and help teammates find exactly what they need. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider organizing the rest of your tabs with clear, consistent names so your entire spreadsheet tells a clean, easy-to-follow story.